Hey guys, this is Steve with TronicsFix. Today I'm going to tell you guys where I've been, where this channel is going, and then I'm going to talk to you a little bit about Patreon. The first thing we need to talk about is where I've been. Now, any of you who have been following this channel for a while know that I haven't actually made a video and uploaded a video to this channel for several months now, and here's why. Well, the answer to that is that I have moved to a new location, both my home and my business. My family and I lived and ran a business out of a location near Portland, Oregon. We decided we wanted to be a little bit further away from the city, and so we moved to a location several hours away from Portland so we could be a little bit out of the city, and we have our business and home in a location on the other side of Oregon State. Now, the simple answer to why I've not been uploading videos is just because all of that moving takes so much time. Not only is the moving, but also setting up the new business in the new location, as well as setting up a home in a new location takes a lot of time. And to do that, I had to cut some things out, and unfortunately YouTube videos was one of the things I had to cut out. The great news is now the business is set up, the home is mostly set up, and now it's time for me to start uploading videos again, so I have lots of new things coming. But I do want to ask you a favor, and that is please let me know of the new videos you would like to see on this channel, and I will do my best to start uploading some of those videos. Which brings me to update number 2, where's this channel headed? And that's where I need your guys' help the most. I want to know what videos you guys want to see on this channel. Obviously, I do lots of game console content, and I plan to continue doing that. But at the same time, I would like to grow this channel to a little bit wider audience. So if you have ideas that might appeal to a wider audience than just game consoles, please let me know in the comments section. I'm open to all types of videos, anywhere from outside videos of hiking or anything like that, down to videos of auto repair or more repairs on consoles. And I would also like to know if you guys are interested in business content. I do own and run TronicsFix, the business that I repair game consoles, but I also run an eBay store and also obviously this YouTube channel. I've got lots of other small things on the side that I kind of dabble in. So if any of you guys are interested in business content, please let me know in the comments below. I can show you guys how to make money online, whether it's eBay or Shopify, or even starting a YouTube channel, anything like that. Let me know what you're most interested in, and I would love to consider making those videos as well. But the main thing to know is that this channel is not going anywhere. I'm gonna keep it updated with content, and now that my business and house situation have been finalized and we're getting everything set up, I can continue to make those videos. And the third thing we need to talk about is Patreon. Many of you guys know that YouTube has started to demonetize some videos and some content, and while none of my videos have been demonetized, it does make me nervous uploading only to one platform that can randomly decide to not monetize a video that I've worked very hard on and put lots of hours into. So that brings me to Patreon, which is another option, another way for a creator to make money off of their videos, and I want to hear what you guys have to think about it. I'd love for you guys to go take a look at it. The link is in the description below. Tell me if you guys like the rewards. If you like them, sign up for them. If you don't like them, comment on this video. Tell me what rewards you want to see. So if you guys would like to see other rewards that include more of the business content, then please comment on the video below and let me know what you think. I'll be hanging out in the comment section for several hours off and on after I put this video live so I can interact with you guys and hopefully gets your questions answered, as well as paying attention to your feedback to me. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. Even though I haven't been uploading, I've gotten lots of new subscribers, so thank you guys so much for that, and I hope you have a great day.